I am the doctor. As a mechanic, you can do all kinds of stuff, transferable skills. And today I just show how to put on the light switch and also the air duct switch right here. Simple and easy. Hi, I'm going to show you right now how to change your light switch if you're having problems. And one of the problems to see if your switch, you see how it says off, on, off, on, it's broken. That means you got to switch it. It's damaged inside. So what I'm going to do, you got four bolts right there, flathead screwdriver. Here we go. First, I'm going to take this off. It gives me a better insight what's going on. Flathead screws. Put that to the side right there. Now you see, this is where it's at right here. This is the problem. Two Phillips. So get yourself a Phillips. Right there. These are a little bit longer screws. There we go. You see this? Right here. Okay, now this will go right here. Loosen this bolt up right here. Like that. There we go. That's one. Come right out. Just gotta give it a little tug right there. There it is. They're coming through the back right here. Slide them in and tighten them in. As you see, got one right here. Nice. There we go. The top goes right here. Slide in like that. And you tighten it down. There's that. Right here. Slide it in. Like that. Tighten it in. Now let's see. Voila. There it is right there. On, off, on, off. There it is right there, just like that. Now, you just push back. Everything's secured. You get right in here. That's right here at the bottom. You're also going to give a little push right in there. Make sure everything's straight and even level. Get a good look right here. Now, still works perfect. Now, and there it is. For there. Turn around and take this out. Okay, here we go. Pop it out. That's one. Now the difference with this one, they go right here. The lights go in the center. So keep that in mind. That's for your air vent right here. See that? Right there. So the vents go on the outside right here, the circular one. The centerpiece is for the lights. This one. Tighten down. This is two. Get a good look at what we're doing here. Right there. Push in. Get your Phillips. Tighten it down. That's secured now like that. Now. You always want to test it 3 times, 4 times to make sure it comes off and on. There it is, it's working fine. Now, push these back into right here. Hold it like that. You see the hole there, hole there, hole there, and hole there. So now, I want to cross it. That's one there. That's true there. Get your flathead. Go. That's how easy of a fix it is. Just like that. Subscribe to my channel. Peace and have a nice day.